Set up right now, we just did the exhaust side. So to change it over to the intake, you need to pull this clip out, pull a pin out, and then we turn it around 180 degrees, and we put it in the other location. So then you put the pin back in. Engage your clip. Always when someone's watching you. We'll call them for Jesus clips for no reason. So now that's ready for the intake. So now we come over here, we put on the motor. And I need to roll the intake over, and we're doing the same thing here. We're mounting it on the exhaust side, on the intake side. Oops, sorry, wrong bolts. With the longer bolts. You're going to center it on the intake. There's spacers I have to get. Hold on one second. Turn it off.